The central U.S. is still dealing with some pretty decent flooding, moderate and major flood stage across many rivers, and that looks to continue as we slide into the month of April. Severe weather concerns in the central U.S. over the next few days, and the snow continues to pile up in the west. We'll start off with the warm temps, so 86 in Phoenix, Tucson at 87. Spring breakers enjoying some mild weather there. 70s along the Front Range. In fact, Colorado Springs today could be dealing with a record high 75. 68 Minneapolis. You haven't been into the 60s in nearly 5 months. You have to go back to late October to see that. And spring breakers down into Florida cooling off a little bit, especially up near Jacksonville. Will be a little closer to average there. But along the eastern seaboard from Charlotte up to Portland, Maine, cooler than average today. The extended outlook into early April does show that most locations nationwide will be warmer than average and potentially wetter than average. A little more active pattern perhaps into April. Today we have a marginal threat of severe weather in the Central Plains and then quieter on your Thursday. But on Friday, parts of Oklahoma under that slight risk of severe weather, so we'll keep you up to date. Looks like we could deal with some heavier rain in portions of the central U.S., decent snow in the northern Rockies and also through the Sierra Nevada range. But an inch and a half of total liquid can't be ruled out in Kansas City, Missouri through the end of the week. What we don't want to see is heavy precip within these particular areas that are dealing with flooding now. As I mentioned, moderate to major flood stage along many rivers here. The Missouri River over to the Mississippi River Valley, stretching down into the midsection of the nation. We still have a lot of snow to melt, especially up near the Red River Valley. Could pick up at least 12 inches of snow on the ground to melt. And then here's that very active weather out west where we have some winter storm warnings posted for parts of the northern Rockies and of course the Sierra Nevada range, where an additional 1 to 2 feet of snow can't be ruled out through the end of the week. Have a good one.